What's up, guys? I am headed to the 2019 Grand Slam car show at Arvest Ballpark here in Springdale, Arkansas. And I will park by NWA_host. But anyway, here we are at the 2019 Grand Slam car show. Fun size. Cute. Oh, this one comes complete with a wasp in it. Dope. Extra points for that. Showmanship. How's it going, man?
How's it going?
Not too bad. Did you do this yourself?
We bought it already bagged, but it had it was a rolling chassis. It had no fenders, no hood, no nothing. No bed on it. It was literally just the cab sitting on the frame. There was some dents on that side. There was 3 of them right through here.
Oh, really?
We did all the body fill on it.
Oh, crap. Was it rolled or something?
No, they had locked the keys in it because it doesn't have.
Oh, and they pried it.
They were prying.
Damn.
As you can see right here, we had to do it.
Yeah. It seems like it'd be a lot of fun to build something like this. I've never really worked on a car that much, but
we're about to build another one next year.
Another small truck?
Yeah, it's a 71 Toyota Hilux.
A Hilux? You're gonna lower a Hilux?
Mm-hmm.
That is not what a Hilux is for.
Well worth it.
That's really interesting. I've never heard of somebody doing that to a Hilux.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely gonna be an eye catcher.
Put some Hilux graphics on it.
Yeah, that would be
that would be sick, because people would be like, no, it's not.
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, like you said, all the old Toyotas, they're off-road, tires, all that. No, we're going.
You gotta do something different, stand out a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Gotcha. Well, I'm gonna keep walking around, man. It's nice talking to you.
Thanks for talking to us.
Yeah. Starfire. Whoa. 1552s. Look at the Nova. 2 Nova SS's though, right here, right next to each other. That's so cool. I seem to be the only person here in full gear, helmet and all, just walking around. Look, it's Herbie. What up, Herb? 77. That's called an air grabber. Just in case you didn't know, that's the air grabber right there. Hot Wheels. Those wheels are hot though. Look at those things. I like them. I like them. What up?
Hey, what up, man? Where you at?
I am walking around looking at some beautiful vehicles and filming it and stuff. Where are you at?
On the south side of the show.
Homie, I don't know what's the south side and the north side and the east side and the west side of this place. I'm gonna go towards the middle. You want to meet me there?
I-49 is north to south. I am on the south side.
Okay, I know where to go. I will head down that way.
Okay.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye.
Love you, bye. Ooh, Fiero GT. Look at the freaking Ranger though, the green one.
We are getting so
Dang, dude. I have to get those wheels under there. It's on back.
Yeah, it's on bags, on bags, on bags.
well, you need to find that
Fun
out.
size.
Also, last call on the raffle ticket.
Limited, unlimited creations. I want to come up with limited creations. Like, we can only do so much. Look at the camber though. I've always wondered what it looks like whenever that tire starts to wear down. Like, there's going to be a line just on the inside of it. Oh, snap. Dude, those wheels get me every time. They're so sick. They're so sick. The coat, like, they just pop.
Yeah.
You know what car this is, right? Fast and the Furious, Johnny Tran, the black car. The one that beat Jesse. That's what this is. That's how you have to explain it to people that don't know cars. Oh, Jesus. He got a bent rim. He hit you a pothole. He's got a bent rim. Right here. I'm just gonna walk around pointing out all of the flaws. Look at that.
Dude, no way.
I mean, it comes off the ground. You have to air
Yeah,
up before you
I see.
drive off. But
That's just crazy.
yeah, this is from 1929. Look inside of here. Look at how much room you have in the back seat if you want to ride bitch in 1929. Like, you can have a big ass, but like no legs.
Oh, would you look at that?
But look at the simplicity, like in the dials and stuff. That's sick.
That is sick. It's like nothing on the dashboard. Just
Yeah.
what you need.
Yes, exactly. The essentials. And then look at
Look at
that.
that.
But then you got these massive headlights, dude. It's crazy. They've got it in really good shape too. Oh yeah, I didn't even see that before. Yeah, I don't know who it is, so I'm gonna look up that Sponge EK98 and be like, hey man, I drive by your car like every day. I actually call this the Hot Wheels car because of that wing on the back. It makes me think of Hot Wheels. Dude, look at this really closely actually, this one. Yeah, I know, look at how much love went into this thing.
68.
Look at that.
You know, when I see a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure. Wow.
85.
It's cool, but look at this. Engine bay. Like so, so pristine.
Underneath the tent,
I love it.
it's going to be.
It's awesome.
Take this baby
We're gonna
anywhere
call out
except for
4
car.
different
Yep,
numbers, all right?
yep.
Can you help me pick out 4
And then
different
back onto the
numbers,
trailer to go home.
Yeah.
Would you be
I wouldn't be
happy to
surprised if it was covered on the trailer to go home.
Pull out your red tickets, folks. We are drawing right
Yeah,
now.
that's why I like this one so much, because it's so clean,
That's
so
actually
nice.
supposed to be in car shows.
That's
Yes,
awesome, dude.
exactly.
Great job.
I wouldn't be able to take care of them.
Gets the first pick.
Yeah.
These bumpers would be done. I'd be like, oh, I forgot.
Oh, my bad.
I can't pull into my own driveway.
Uh-oh, low tire.
That's it.
This just looks mean as hell. Also looks like a limo.
Pick another one.
So blast
Can
through
you
the
pick
air.
another one?
Triple carbs. Then instead of having fuel injectors, they have carburetors.
163.
So that's what all 3 of those are. And they go, see that little thing right there that has a lever on the side?
Yeah.
That's your actual throttle cable.
Right.
That cable goes to the gas pedal, and they just pull that and it opens those up to let more air in to give you more power.
9. Are you the winner?
A little bit of a science thing for you there.
163, 169. Sir, appreciate it. You're the next one.
I like that color.
All right. Hey, you want to?
I mean, they got a little rust up there, but yeah, it's cool.
No, you don't want to. Okay.
I wonder if that's
You
what
don't
they call
have
it.
to.
What, Midnight? Loki.
But, yeah, dude.
Oh, I never noticed he had that before.
I like that matte black.
All right, that's a winner.
Strip.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
You
This
get your
reminds me
pick.
of
This guy
GTA.
posts a lot on
So
Instagram.
hardcore.
One more prize.
Oh, who?
Can
GTA.
you pick
Oh,
another?
GTA, yeah, it does. With the
Different
mat.
scenes and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is it a Ninja Turtle?
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Loki, is it a Ninja Turtle? I'll post it and ask him.
That's nice. See his headlights?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's all about those headlights.
Yeah.
They're from Lighting Trends with a Z.
1-7.
That one's sick too. That's really cool.
That's it. 163017. Congratulations.
I've always wondered, I guess that's just for whenever they're driving. They just have it covered when they're driving.
You want this?
That's smart though.
Because I've seen the guy that drives the green one, he had one of those whenever he went to a car show recently. So I guess it's just to keep that stuff all clean so you don't have to try and clean up inside of there. This one's awesome too, Iron Man.
Tanya, we got a green Chevy right here on the People's Choice.
Are they giving away cars?
Yep.
All right.
Gives you something to talk about.
I like that.
Oh, dude, I didn't see that before.
Bro,
What's up, man?
whenever you have time, I want to meet with you. Hey, nice to
Hi,
meet
how's it
nice
going?
to
This is
meet you.
Garret.
Chris.
What's up?
I don't know if you noticed my front bumper.
Huh, I didn't look at it.
I hit my hitch of the truck this morning.
Did you puncture anything?
Yeah. I put my e-brake on it. And,
Man.
I was tired, dude. I didn't recall to put the gear,
Yeah.
so maybe it's sliding in.
Oh,
slowly.
man.
So I have a big hole now in my front bumper.
Dang it.
And in my other one, I don't know if you see the
Alright,
orange
so-
Civic.
Dude, I fucking love the
I'm
hatchback.
gonna get my
It's
little
sick.
man
Okay,
here
I
because
put
he's not
everything
shy
together
at all.
because
Tell me your
I
name.
put boost leak, so
Malachi.
take everything apart.
Did you know that you
I
drew
put
some
another
losers
down
a while
pipe
ago?
and this and that.
Jeez.
When I started it, my
Hey, buddy,
oil
would you come
line
draw me
for the
one
turbo.
more?
Uh-huh.
More
Just
out of here,
bust
okay?
open.
Oh my gosh. Dang, man. Well, that's some tough luck, but it'll get better, man.
Just
Yeah,
one.
bro, it's
Here, let me
just
lower it for you.
That's rough.
money on time,
All
you
right.
know.
Yeah.
It's putting me behind for the
It sucks
So,
because that's both of them
This
just boom,
is
boom, man.
number
That's rough.
91.
So that, if that makes sense,
You are
that's putting
out
me
of
behind
the
on my
game.
motorcycle game.
It's all
Yeah.
Malachi's
Hey,
fault.
but I mean,
Blame
it's
him.
stuff like this that you grow from and get stronger from anyway.
Oh,
I mean, it's the
Mike,
low
is that
times that make
you?
you a better person anyway.
Yeah.
So
Don't, but
it'll
it
be
was
better.
I'm just
me,
lacking
dude.
on my bike.
Yeah.
I think
I'm
he
gonna hang it
loved
right
it.
there.
The
Who has
lady
those
was
numbers?
about to hit me
73 and 96. All
3
right.
days ago when it was raining.
So now
Really?
y'all gotta make
Yeah,
a
dude.
decision.
It was,
Do
by
you
my
want
house
to
to turn off.
wanna go
It was
for
traffic, dude. So everybody was stopped. And she
You wanna
make
go
a
for it?
big gap. So I'm
right.
assuming she's
Yeah.
letting
So-
me pass.
Yeah.
No, she was in the
Like,
front.
Oh.
She accelerated
Malachi, you
the
wanna
car,
come
dude.
draw a winner
I was like,
now?
Oh
You've
my
drawn a
God.
bunch.
I was like,
Those moments are so
All
scary.
right.
I'm my other
how
guy
we're gonna
was
do
about
it,
to
the
rear-end
number
me, too.
that's drawn
Oh, somebody
out
was
of
with you?
here is
Yes.
going to be the
Man,
winner, okay?
you gotta get one of these. You gotta carry one of these a lot. That way, if that happens, you
I'm
can be
gonna
like,
turn
look,
them
they
over.
stopped in the middle of the road and stuff in front of me.
Yeah.
But you gotta be careful out there. You gotta watch other
Here's
people.
the guy.
Oh,
Come on.
yeah. Sorry, Garrett.
There. Now you can't
planning
see
a
the
bike show.
numbers. You gotta just pick one, buddy.
This guy is.
How's it going? I'm Taylor.
I'm Chuck.
And
Chuck,
the winner
Taylor,
is
your
number
wife.
96.
Nice to meet you.
This guy is.
Just let me know. You send me. I don't have a
You
card.
know, and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
My stuff is all under Kangaroo Elite. So if you can remember Kangaroo Elite. Oh, you have? Okay, well, see, there you go.
All right.
Cool.
That's good.
All right, thanks, man. There's Herbie over there.
I like that.
This is the one that I was. Look at the back of it too. This is the one that I was like right here, and there was a guy on the other side, and I was like, "What's up, man?" Oh, look at this.
Number 30. So sorry.
Hello.
How about 14?
And then he went that way. Oh, dog! I'm at 7%.
Top 25.
What is that? Is that a tulip?
Yeah.
I think that's a tulip.
Probably the same.
Yeah, that's definitely a tulip. I'll move them back for you when you go through. I'll move them back after you go through. But yeah, this is the car show. Had a lot of fun. I'm sweating my ass off, but it was cool. Yes, sir. You're welcome. Anyways, I'm gonna head home. Good day. Got some other stuff to do today though. Kangaroo Elite out.